Hello everyone, as my humble self, Chukwuka Obelago, and I'm addressing the Billion Coin community. Okay, it's almost 4 o'clock Nigerian time, 4 o'clock a.m. Nigerian time, and I just want to do a quick summary of admin's latest blog update. Okay, and I know it's lengthy, but I just want to emphasize on the point he's trying to make. Okay, see, in the past couple of days with the activities of the send button and everything, I've been getting questions on when is the fiat exchange going to start, when is migration going to start, and all whatnot. Okay, those are credible questions, but at the same time, when you focus on those questions, it limits you from what you can do with what is available in TBC. Okay, like for example, we all know that we had an issue with the current coin network, but right now it's stable, and the admin has turned on more than 1,000 send buttons, and it's heading towards 10,000 send buttons on the current coin network. Now, yes, you don't have a send button. Okay, yes, we haven't done the coin network migration. Yes, there is no fiat exchange for you to cash out. But does that mean that without these things, without the send button and the fiat exchange, you cannot make withdrawal, make money with TBC? Okay. So does that mean that without these things, you cannot promote TBC? I'm not saying that those things will not come to life. Okay, they will happen, but at its own pace, knowing fully well that blockchain technology is new. So what do? You go and learn the kringle cash method of how to make money even without a send button. Okay, questions you ask yourself should be, who should I partner with? Okay, how do I promote TBC? How do I keep giving out the free gift of TBC on a daily basis? Because these are the questions that will keep growing the community. These are the questions that will get us there faster in terms of the fiat exchange, in terms of TBC already, which is already a currency. Okay, TBC already a currency, but it will get us faster in terms of distribution because we are targeting 1 billion members. Okay, so I'll just scroll down this video, this write-up. Okay, it's your duty as a TBC member to get the Billion Coin app and read the write-up yourself. Okay, what I will just do is emphasize on the important areas. Okay, so in this video, in this blog post, okay, the admin also gave out information, okay, on when the send button and the migration and the fiat exchange are likely to happen. So let me scroll down this write-up, this blog post, and give you those information. Okay, all right. So here we go. Okay, so like I said, a lot of recurring questions that comes up has to do with migration. When is migration going to happen? Allow me some time to use this question to address the question in the title of this article. What type of questions do you ask? Okay, are you asking questions that empower you or questions that paralyze you? That, my friend, is the most important question to ask. The answer to that question lays within you. Okay, it has nothing to do with me or TBC or anything else outside of your control. The truth is, if you analyze the opportunities around you too much, you become too paralyzed to take advantage of them. Where else in the world are you going to find the kind of financial leverage you get as a TBC member? Financial leverage such as this can only be found within the circles of the elite who use platform trading to access it, where money is basically created out of thin air. If you do any research at all on this subject, your eyes will pop out of your head when you discover what is available to the elite. It's crazy. They can invest like $1 billion and get paid $1 billion a week on a 5-year contract. It's a big secret and it's all over the internet. LOL. The crazy part is it is true. Do you think the elite put in $1 billion of work each week? Do you think they are taking $1 billion of weekly risk? Hell no. What's good enough for the goose is good enough for the gander. As the saying goes, the elite has always had the power to end poverty, and these days it would only have taken a few keystrokes on a computer to do it. That's how most of the money is created today, by the way. But instead, they have us running around chasing our tails and becoming more miserable each passing year. What a total waste of human potential. What a total waste of human potential has spread through humanity within this modern world. TBC was designed to give its members massive financial leverage and a way out of the mess the elite created. Okay, so you guys, this is clear to you guys. So let me scroll down to the questions you're supposed to ask. Okay, yet in spite of this grand gift to humanity, some of you are paralyzed by the questions you're asking, as though the answers will even make a difference. You see, the ones making a lot of money in TBC did not start by asking all the questions first. In fact, most of the questions they asked were self-directed. The most important answers are found from within oneself. How many kringle gifts can I get out a day, since they are practically unlimited? How many ways can I accept payment when someone wants to pay me for some of my kringles? How can I become more likable in the world, since people usually do business with someone they like? Who do I want to partner with inside the TBC community? Do you understand why these self-directed questions are the most important questions? Because they empower you. So guys, you need to focus on these questions, okay? If you want to ask questions that empower you rather than questions that paralyze you, you need to focus on this set of questions right here. Let me highlight them and read them again. Okay. All right. So how many kringle gifts can I give out a day, since they are practically unlimited? How many ways can I accept payment when somebody wants to pay me for some of my kringles? How can I become more likable in the world, since people usually do business with someone they like? Who do I want to partner with inside of the TBC community? Do you understand why these self-directed questions are the most important? Because they empower you. You have control over you. You have very little control over anything or anyone else in your world. So why wait for anything? Get going. You really don't need to know all the answers in order to make money in TBC. Get educated along the way by reading the blog here. See, I get a lot of questions on my WhatsApp, email, and sometimes phone call, and I keep asking them, do you have the Billion Coin app? Do you have the Billion Coin app? Now, when I ask these questions, it looks like I'm trying to drive the app download. But in the real sense, the reason I'm asking that question is because I want them to have information to themselves. Okay, because the app gives you the power to have information constantly from the TBC admin. But people will say, I have the app. Have you read the app? But meanwhile, they're asking questions that the blog has already answered. Okay, and a lot of new people are like, okay, I want to know more about TBC, blah, 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 blah. Okay, for the questions they ask, you find out that these people are shallow people. Okay, why I say shallow in the sense is they are not really asking you questions in order to make a decision about TBC. They're just asking you questions to get more reasons why they won't invest in TBC. Okay, and when you direct into the blog to go and get all the information there, because that's the easiest way they can get information straight from the horse's mouth, they tend to try to get you to answer more questions. Meanwhile, you've given them a way out. Okay, so it's very important that you have the Billion Coin app for information's sake, and at the same time, you follow the instruction given in your Kringle Cash back office by TBC Randy through his Kringle Cash report videos that he does. Okay, and it's now titled Get Paid Today, because if you follow the steps there, you will easily make more money even without the same button or even without the fiat exchange. Okay, so let me just go straight down to this part. All right, the TBC economy is emerging now. It doesn't exist yet. The TBC currency does exist, and together we are distributing it globally. Are you aware that you don't have to even have a send button in order to do your part in distributing it? Don't you already know that you don't have to wait for migration to get your send button turned on now? The bank is coming, but at first you will only be able to get $500 a week from it. Do you realize you can make more than that right now through the kringle system? Okay, so for some of you who are asking questions about the fiat is about migration, okay, your send button can be turned on even without the migration. All you need to do is do your video, okay, do your testimonial video, upload it on kringle on testimonial page of TBC admin, okay, and the admin will the TBC support will so include your email address and your Facebook link so that they will activate your account. Okay, use the email associated with your TBC wallet. Okay, all right. So as for the bank, as you can see here, it's $500 a week from it. Okay, so it's really exciting what is going to come our way in TBC. Then all right, so about the migration, so well, in a way, we're already doing the proper preparation to migrate now. We have been sorting out the leaders of TBC. We have over 2.7 million members, and the ones stepping forward doing YouTube testimonials will be groomed to become TBC leaders. We have a communication tree structure where we will put our best members at the top of it to make sure migrations gets the proper team support to go smoothly. Frankly, we can't migrate until this is done. We have already turned on 1,000 send buttons, and it seems like we could turn on 10,000 more now. The current coin network is pretty stable right now, and if everyone that has a send button follows the protocol we have established, it will allow us to keep adding more send buttons ongoing up to the time of the migration. So if you have a send button, why do you care when migration happens? Ask yourself that. Do you really need a system that confirms a transaction faster than Bitcoin right now? TBC and Bitcoin take about the same amount of time to confirm at the moment. So the new coin network will confirm in seconds and will be stable enough for mass adoption. But in my opinion, that's not as important as you making some money now. Go and make money now in TBC. Stop making excuses to hurry up and wait some more. People like that will always have an excuse to hurry up and wait, even after we have all migrated. They will still be waiting on something else. Don't be one of those people. You will need the money now. Go and get it. So in this summary, just trying to let you know that migration will still happen, but you don't really need migration for you to have a send button. Okay, all you have to go and do is do your part, do your video, and also the current coin network is stable enough to accept more up to 10,000 send buttons. Okay, and everybody needs to follow the protocol. Okay, there was a protocol that you will receive each time when your send button is turned on. Okay, that protocol will enable you. Okay, that protocol will enable you to be able to send TBC from one wallet to the other comfortably without any issue. Okay, all right. So all right, so about the fiat exchange and the migration, the admin has said that he has been gone shy of giving out a date because he has been accused of dangling a carrot and moving the goalpost each time. Okay, so he said it's going to happen first quarter of 2018, but it won't happen in February because February is a short month. Okay, because they made the deadline on the migration on the new coin network. So he's targeting March. Okay, but guys, that's not as important as you doing what you need to do with what is available right now. Okay, if you don't have a trusted seller to partner with, okay, you can partner with me. Okay, you can partner with me, join my WhatsApp group, and we will do business over there. You get 50% commission on every referral that you give to me. Okay. Also, if you haven't purchased TBC at all and you're looking for a trusted seller to buy TBC from, you can buy from me. Okay. Okay, if you're buying directly from me, I can also, if you haven't paid your $10 fee, I will pay the $10 fee on your behalf. Okay, this is a way of incentivizing you to go ahead and purchase and join TBC. But you need to purchase at least $40 worth of TBC from me to get for me to be able to pay your $10 fee on your behalf. Okay, so guys, it's really exciting what is happening. You already know that it's going to take us having $500 per week once the bank is on. And migration and what do I call it? Migration and the bank are going to happen this first quarter. Okay, but let's focus on what is available right now, what you can do right now with your time, with your energy. Find a trusted seller to partner with. Okay, so that way you can make as much money as you can, even without the send button and even without the fiat exchange. So there are links below for you to subscribe to this channel, to download the Billion Coin app, to download the Billion Coin Mart, which is the online shop that allows you to shop with your TBC, and also a WhatsApp group for you to join me if you want to partner with a trusted seller like me. Alright guys, so till I come your way next time, I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka Bilago. Take care, bye for now.